So, I'm sorry for not checking in. I had stuff to do. I had everything. Also, on Friday, I couldn't upload anything. I'm trying my best. I had homework. I have everything else. I have to take care of my sister, everything like that. Yesterday, I had homework. And then the Monday, I had to go, had to be with my local therapist, and then I completely forgot about it. I'm sorry. So, I am so sorry. This is just a quick check-in, on either on Friday or the next Friday. I am gonna upload. I might not. I might. Okay. But I'm sorry if it's short. I just wanted to check in. I'm okay, and I'm not done. If you think I'm done, and you better subscribe and like the video and leave notifications and leave a comment down below if you with me. Now, bye!